Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I want to do one on how to wash and clean your Apple Watch. I'm going to use the Apple Watch Ultra, but this can obviously apply to any electrical watch or watch in that in general, actually. So the first thing you want to do is I turn the power off, and for the Apple Watch it's the left button and the right crown button. Hold them together until you get that menu, then hit the power button in the upper right corner and then swipe to shut down. I like to turn it off so when I clean it I can see what I'm actually doing the screen. So and it's almost shut down here, hang on. Yep. Okay, so it's shut down. And the next thing I do is I take the band off, and I'm actually going to do a whole separate video on how to clean the band, but for now we're just going to do the watch. We'll do two separate ones. So I just simply, you want to look it over, see where all the bad stuff, it's usually going to be on the back side, all the main dirt. And next what I'll do, you want to get inside where the band is. Next thing I'll do, I'll take an alcohol pad, a prep pad, I like using those, or a toothbrush. That kind of gets the major stuff off, and just lightly go over it. You don't need to do it hard. And then I turn the watch crown dial as well, so you can get all the way around and inside that. Okay, I'll wipe it off, and that's a microfiber towel, you got to have that. And then you can see how much cleaner it is. In my last step I'll use the alcohol prep pads, and they also clean it as well as like disinfecting it. So you just go all the way around everything, and usually I'll get some dirt off, so we'll see if we have any here. It wasn't very dirty when I cleaned it. Yeah, there's a little there, but then you just go all the way around it. Then I hit it one more time, wipe it down with the fiber cloth. And like brand new, it's really that easy. And then of course I'll put my bands back on. So that was my video on how to clean the Apple Watch, or any other electronic watch for that matter. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until the next time, I'm out.